Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Before we get started, I'd like to invite you guys to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload. Also, if you are feeling extra nice today, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up before exiting out this video. Alrighty guys, so as you can probably already tell by the title, I am doing another unboxing for you guys. Before we get onto the video, I'd like to let you know that I am almost to 3K subscribers, and as always, every time I reach a certain amount of subscribers, or basically whenever I reach a goal, I do a giveaway. So this time I'm thinking of doing a luxury makeup giveaway. I'm thinking maybe Chanel, Gucci, Hermes, or even Dior. Let me know in the comments down below which brands do you prefer. That way I can do a research on it. Also, if you didn't notice, I did get a haircut. I asked for a curtain bangs because the 90s vibes is coming back, so I was like, give me a bangs. So this is what my hairstylist came up with, and I really do like it. I'm still getting used to it, so if I keep on touching my hair, please, you know, don't get bothered. I apologize in advance. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. I don't know about you guys, but every time I buy luxury things, I just love how the way they package it, and just the quality of their box is really amazing. I always record whenever it's, you know, the sun is already setting. I don't know why, but I get most of my energy during this time, so I apologize for that if you are seeing, you know, day and then all of a sudden it's nighttime. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So that's what it looks like. It has the sticker on. Let's just rip it out. And it comes with the dust bag. I really love their dust bag because it's so soft, and it says Gucci there. This is the bag that I got. This one is actually a belt bag. I was debating on getting the Louis Vuitton belt bag, but it has the vachetta in it. A lot of people, they are putting it on their neck. You know, the oils of your skin can make the vachetta uneven, so you know, this one is more carefree. So that's the reason why I decided to go with this one. If you guys are wondering what the product number is, I believe it's this one. Hope you guys can see it. There you go. And if you know me, you know I love classics, so it's gotta be in the classic design. I'm actually also thinking of getting the Jackie bag because I feel like that is so pretty and just like a timeless piece. Let me show you guys a close-up of this bag. So this is what it looks like. In the front, you have the Gucci logo, and then the tiger. You know, it's like a 3D. I really love it. It's so cute. And on the side, this is what it looks like. And I also love that I can use this as a clutch. I can just remove the, you know, this, what do you call this, like the strap. I was gonna say belt. You can just remove this strap, and you can use this as a, you know, night bag. So it's very multifunctional. So that's what it looks on the side, and then the back. This is what it looks like inside. Let me just take out all these stuffings. So as you can see, it's pretty spacious. I can definitely put all my essentials there, and it's just a magnetic closure, which is really handy, especially if you are in a hurry. You know, you don't have to like twist it. You just open it and just grab your things. Let me also show you guys what this looks like on. So this is what the bag looks like on me. I just really love this because you can use this day or night. You can even, you know, make this really dressy. Just take out this strap and you can use it as a clutch. That's how I would normally wear it, but you can also put it on the back if you'd like. I won't recommend it this way because it's really easy for people to get, you know, things in there since it's only a magnetic closure. I have my phone in here. As you can see, it's really easy. Take it out, get your phone. Ta-da! So that's what that looks like. I really think it's cute. So guys, I actually tried taking off the strap, but unfortunately it doesn't fit, so you can't take it out because this thing is too wide. So I thought it would be multifunctional, but I guess I'm wrong. I mainly bought this anyways because during the pandemic I don't really want to carry my bag. This allows me to be hands-free, and this bag will definitely be a lot easier to take care of compared to the Louis Vuitton bum bag. So yeah, this is really cute, guys. So I thought I'd show you guys what fits inside this bag before I end this video. As you can see, it is very spacious inside. You can definitely put all your essentials, but if you are a hoarder, this is not the bag for you guys. I carry mainly my keys, my cards, hand sanitizer, my phone, and I'm good to go. So as you saw earlier, my phone fits here with no problem, and I still have a lot of space inside there. This one is the iPhone 11 Pro. If you have the Pro Max, it will also fit in there with no problem. I have my pocket organizer. This one I did an unboxing. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna put a link up there. So this one fits with no problem. You can even put it standing up if you want. So I also carry my key, or my 6-key holder, 6-key ring, 6-key holder. Oh my goodness, I don't even know. So that one fits there as well. And then I carry my hand sanitizer, and then I can put my lotion, and I can even still put my mask if I need to. And I'm able to close this with no problem, and it doesn't bulge up. So as you can see, it all fits inside there. And I can still put, you know, some tiny things like maybe a lipstick or a small perfume like this one. It's already empty. I don't know why it's still inside my bag, but that one fit in there with no problem as well. I don't recommend overstuffing this bag, guys, because it has the magnetic closure and it doesn't have a zipper. So if you put a lot of things inside this bag, your bag can just easily open, and you know, all your things will be falling out, and we don't want that. So keep it in mind whenever, you know, you're using this, or if you are ever purchasing this. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.